The Google Ads Agency Academy Part 3. This one is going to be just about pure basics. So, if you're not a true beginner, this will be stuff you already know. However, still good just go through it. If you want to skip it, you can skip it. But Part 3 is just pure basics of what Google Ads is and how does it work, right? So, overall, right, it's an online advertising platform that allows businesses to show their ads on Google's search engine results pages, or otherwise known as SERPs, YouTube, other websites, Gmail, Maps, etc. Okay. When someone searches for a keyword that's related to your business, your ad might show up at the top of the search results page or anywhere else in the search results page. AK, this usually is a super effective way to reach potential customers, leads, whoever you want to target, who are already interested in what you have to offer. This is called demand capture, right? You are showing an ad to exactly someone who is searching for what you have to offer as a service, a product, whatever problem they have, you are the solution to their problem, right? And that's why Google is so powerful, because it is demand capture based. Now you can do demand correction stuff, right? Kind of interrupt their day with, like a Facebook ad would be, right, with on the YouTube side. But most of Google is demand capture, and that's how you can use it so effectively, because people are looking for exactly what you have, and you're putting that right in front of them, and then they will buy and give you money or become a lead, right? Now, budget and bidding strategies. The budget is how much you're willing to spend on Google Ad campaigns each day, and your bidding strategy is how you'll determine how much you're willing to pay for each click in your ad, a view, impression. There's a lot of different stuff we can go into there, and we will, but keeping it very basic in this video. Keywords are the words or phrases you're targeting based from people's search queries, right? So if I want to target basketball shoe, there are different ways I can target that to call keyword match types. However, that will then elicit different keyword search queries that I might show up for, right? And we'll get into that in a very specific keyword video. However, I just want to kind of highlight what a keyword is. Ad copy, again, super easy here, is the text that appears in your ad. The goal here is to attract qualified traffic while pushing other people away to not waste money on them, right? And this is on the search side only. But if we are going to, only pay for a click, we don't want to make sure everyone who ever sees our ad clicks on us, right? We don't want that to happen. We only want to have people who are qualified and who might actually become a lead or a customer to click on us, so we don't waste money on them, right? Now, tracking results, right? Data won't be an issue. You will see this in Google Ads. Google, it's so awesome. You get so much data in the platform to actually make informed decisions on and informed optimizations on, that it's crazy. Like, this is where people, I think, really have that barrier to entry, is just how much true data is in the platform. And it's very easy to get overwhelmed by all this data. And again, I'll show you how to look at it, how to view it properly, how to create data stories, how to actually know what to touch, when to touch it. Pause. But mainly here, the second thing is you always want to make sure you're actively tracking conversions, right? So a conversion inside Google Ads is a specific action you are tracking that can or cannot be optimized to Google's algorithm, okay? So a conversion is basically, let's say it's a purchase, right? I should finish this first to see what your estimate is getting in return, right? So let's say it's a purchase. If I want to make sure I'm tracking if someone clicks my ad and actually purchases a product, I want to be tracked, one, to showcase to my client, say, hey, your money that we're spending, we're actually making money back on it. Keep paying me and I'll keep making you more money, right? That's the first thing. The second thing is that conversion, if it's a primary conversion, there's two forms, a primary and a secondary. Primary means I'm saying, Google, you are tracking this, as well as I want your algorithm to be optimizing for more of these. So if you see these purchases, I want you to get more of these purchases, right? Otherwise, if it's a secondary conversion, that means you're still tracking it. So Google is tracking that conversion, but it's not being optimized accordingly. Now that could be, say in an e-commerce sense, that could be your primary conversion action is a purchase. So you want more of those, and you're tracking it in a secondary conversion, a separate one, as an add to cart or begin checkout. That way you can at least see that kind of conversion cycle, but you're not saying, Google, I want more add to carts, I want more start checkouts, right? Then it kind of gets confusing when we're trying to do, the data gets a little muddied. There's different ways to work around that, but that's how you think. And again, we'll go more into this in later videos, but yeah, that's it. Super quick video, just very basic stuff of Google Ads and how it works.